Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
sir.
So today we are going to work on prepositions. Today we are going to work on prepositions, and we talk till, I think, against. Understand? We talk till against, right?
Yes.
We finished about, then we finished about again, then we finished about, then above. We talked about above, and we talked about across. We talked about after. Have we talked about after?
Sir, above, across और after नहीं लिया sir?
यस मैम नहीं हूँ यस सर नहीं हूँ अभी
नहीं हुआ है.
Above भी नहीं हुआ.
Yeah, yeah. All right, don't worry. We'll start the above. We'll start above. We'll start with above. All right.
Yes, sir.
So now we are going to work on above. All right. Now we are going to work on above. Okay. So across. Sorry, across. We'll work on across. No,
Sir.
above. Above. We'll work on above. We have finished about. Now we'll work on above. Okay. Above, it means वरच्या बाजूला, higher than, over, वरच्या बाजूला. That is called above. Okay. Above the clouds म्हणजे cloudsच्या वरच्या बाजूला. Above the clouds, it means cloudच्या वरच्या बाजूला. In this way. So it is called above. All right. So
Yes.
cloudsच्या वरच्या बाजूला is called above. All right. Clouds above, it means वरच्या बाजूला. Earlier on a page किंवा पेजच्या अगोदर. पेजच्या अगोदर किंवा वरच्या बाजूला, ऊपर की तरफ, या पेज के पहले. That is called above. Above. All right. Above each paragraph. All right. Rohit, answer me.
Yes.
Is there a heading above each paragraph?
Yes, there is a heading above the paragraph.
Is there a heading above? And see, listening is, if you do not listen to the questions correctly, then you will never answer the questions correctly. So one word is a one diamond. One word is a one diamond. So if you miss one word, you will miss one diamond. All right. So Rohit,
Yes.
okay, just listen to it like
Okay.
very cautiously, very cautiously. All right. Is there a heading above each diagram?
1 minute, sir.
Is there a heading above each diagram?
Yes.
Is there
सर
a
should we
heading
take
above?
screenshot of this
Yes, you can take the screenshot, no problem. Is there a heading above each diagram?
Yes, there is a heading above the diagram.
Above the, not diagram. Above each diagram.
Above-
You are missing
above
each word. Okay.
Above each diagram.
Okay, once again. Is there a heading above each diagram?
Yes, there is a diagram above each diagram.
Okay.
Sorry.
Listen to it carefully. Aman, answer it.
yes sir
Is there a heading above each diagram?
yes there is a heading above each diagram
Is there a square above each triangle?
yes there is a square above each triangle
Is there a black line? Is there a black line above each square?
yes there is a black line above each square
Is there a question above each table?
yes there is a question above each table
Is there a map? Is there a pointer above each shape?
yes there is a pointer above each shape
Is there a name of the society above each name?
is there a name of the society above each name
Is there a name of the chairman above each nameplate?
is there a name of chairman above each nameplate
Is there a name of the bungalow? Is there a name of the society above each nameplate?
yes there is a name of society above each nameplate
Is there a name of the poet above each poem?
yes there is a name of the poet above each poem
Is there an image of the writer above each article?
Yes, there is a image of the writer above each article.
Okay, is there a heading above each introduction?
Yes, there is a heading above each introduction.
Okay, okay, very good. Rohit, answer me now.
Yes, sure.
Okay, now I will ask you WH questions. Okay, where is the heading? The heading is above each diagram. In this way, you are answering me. Okay,
Okay.
सर जो
Okay.
पेज
Please
है वो
repeat, sir, again.
स्लैंटिंग में दिख रहा है सर पेज
where is the heading?
Please repeat the answer and question also.
Where is the heading?
And which is the answer I can
The first is the answer.
listen.
First word is the answer. The heading is above each diagram.
Yes, the heading is above each diagram.
Okay, answer me again. Where is the heading?
The heading is above each diagram.
Where is the square?
The square is above each square.
Triangle, second answer.
Yes, triangle. Yes.
Okay, where is the square?
The square is above each square.
Triangle. Answer the second answer first, Rohit.
Okay, okay.
Okay, we'll start from the beginning. Okay,
Yes.
where is the heading?
This heading is the above each paragraph.
Okay, where is the square?
Okay, the square is above each triangle.
Where is the cartoon?
Cartoon is the above each square.
Where is the question?
Question is above each table.
Where is the explanation?
Explanation is above each square.
Where is the owner's name?
Owner's name is above each name.
Where is the bungalow's name?
Bungalow's name is above each nameplate.
Where is the poet's name?
Poet name is above each poem.
Where is the writer's image?
The writer image is above each articles.
Where is the explanation?
The explanation above each introduction.
Once again, answer me correctly. This is to be forms. Where is the explanation?
Explanation where is
You are missing is in the answer. Where is the explanation?
yes, explanation is above each introduction.
Where was the explanation? Same answer.
Yes, explanation is above the each
Where was?
introduction.
Now past. Where was? Okay, Vinayak ji, answer me in past.
Yes,
Where was the heading?
there was a heading above each diagram.
No, heading was above each diagram. No, there was no needed to
Okay.
write. Okay.
Okay.
Where was heading?
Heading was above each diagram.
Where was square?
Sir, here is some network issue. So can I off my camera?
Yes, you can off your camera. Okay. Where was square?
The square was each paragraph.
No, second answer. The square was above each triangle.
The square was above each triangle.
Where was the cartoon?
The cartoon was each square.
Okay. Where was the question?
The question was above each table.
Where was the answer?
The answer was above each shape.
Where was the society's name?
The society's name was above each name.
Okay. Where was the owner's name?
The owner's name was above each nameplate.
Where was the poet's name?
The poet's name was above each poem.
Where was the writer's image?
The writer's image was above each article.
Where was the explanation?
The explanation was above each introduction.
Very good. Good job. In this way, we talked about above. I think everybody understood it. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now next is across. We'll work on across. Across it means from one side to the other. एका बाजूने दुसऱ्या बाजूला. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह की तरफ. That is called across. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह की तरफ. That is called across. Okay. Okay. Swati, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Did you walk across the road? Simple past tense. Did you walk across the road?
You, sir, you no start होईल ना?
Did you walk across the road? You चा उत्तर you न होतं की I मध्ये होतं?
I.
Okay. Did you walk? Listen to me carefully, Swati, and then answer it.
Okay.
Did you walk across the road?
Yes, I across the road.
Walk could I walk? Simple past tense. Do you write? Did you write? Will you write? Voila. Did you write a letter? Answer me. Did you write a letter?
Yes, I write a letter.
नाही, did चं उत्तर सेकंड फॉर्म मध्ये येतं स्वाती.
So
Did you write a letter? Yes, I wrote a letter येतं ना.
yes.
Okay, अनेकदा उत्तर द्या. Did you walk? Okay, did you walk across the road?
Yes, I walks na sir.
Walked. Second
Walked.
form. Walked.
Yes, yeah, yes, I walked across the road.
Okay, did you swim across the river?
Did you?
Okay, did you go across the river?
Yes, I go.
Second form. Go चा second form काय?
Goes. Went.
Did you go across the river?
Yes, I went across the river.
Did you play across the ground?
Yes, I played across the ground.
Okay, did you bring the water across the bridge?
Yes, I brought the water across the bridge.
Did you start a business across the society?
Yes, I started across the society.
Did you start a business across the society?
Yes, I started business across the society.
Okay. Did you join the job across the police ground?
Sir, joint चं काय आहे ना?
ED, joined, correct.
Joint.
असं विचारत चला तुम्ही, विचारत चला. Did you join the job across the police ground?
Yes, I joined job across the police station.
Okay. Did you ride a bicycle? Did you ride a bicycle across the highway?
Right.
Road येणार.
Yes, I rode across the highway.
Okay. Did you walk across the pavement?
Yes, I walked across the pavement.
Okay. Did you play with your family members across the street?
Yes, I played my family members across the street.
Did you play with विसरताय तुम्ही with? Did you play with your family members across the street?
Yes, I played with my family members across the street.
Correct. Did you wait across the signal?
Sir, पुन्हा?
Did you wait? वाट
Wait.
पाहिली का? Did you wait across the signal?
So wait चं काय येणार आहे?
ED.
Wait. फक्त.
नाही ED. Waited.
Waited. पुन्हा सांगा sir.
Did you wait across the signal?
Yes, I waited across the signal.
Very good. Good job. Nice. Okay. Rohit is done, right? Nachiket, you are answering me.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is the bank across the road?
Yes, bank is across the road.
Got it? I think you got the answer. Okay. Where is the bank? The bank is across the road. In this way, you are answering me. Wait a minute. Let me ask you questions. Where is the bank?
The bank is situated.
Can you
near
see the
to-
chart? Can
near
you
to-
see the chart? Can you see the chart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The bank is near to. Bank is across the road.
Okay. Where is the amusement park?
The amusement park is across the river.
Where is the office of Where is the government office?
The government office is across the ground.
Okay, where is your school?
My school is across the bridge.
Where is the fire station?
Fire station is across the society.
Okay, where is the parade ground?
The parade ground is situated near across the police ground.
Okay, where is your village?
My village is across the highway.
Where is the central mall?
The center mall is near across the highway.
Okay, where is the municipal corporation?
The municipal corporation is municipal corporation is across the river,
Street.
across the street.
Now last is across the signal. Where are you waiting for family members? Where are you waiting for family members?
Yes, I am waiting.
Where? कोठे.
Uh,
तुम्ही तुमच्या फॅमिली मेंबर्स साठी कोठे वाट पाहत आहात? Where
I
are you
am-
waiting for your family members?
I am waiting for my family members in across the signal.
Correct. Very good. I am waiting for my family members across the signal. Got it? In this way, across is used a lot. Across is used a lot. Now, second meaning of across. Across is means on the other side of. On the other side of. दुसऱ्या बाजूला. Same with the first. Same with the first. Across the office. Okay? Yeah. Who is answering me? Ronak, answer me. Okay. Where is the cricket ground?
The cricket ground is across the office.
Where is the post office?
The post office is across the bank.
Where is the library?
The library is across the mall.
Where is the garden?
The garden is across the temple.
Where are the passengers?
The passenger is across the supermarket.
Where is the lecturer?
The lecturer is across the garden.
Where is your sister's? Where is your sister's bungalow?
My sister bungalow is across the post office.
Where is the exam?
The exam is across the petrol pump.
Where is your new business?
My new business is across the society.
Where is your laboratory?
The laboratory is across the library.
Very good, very good. Good job, good job, good job. Avedna, answer me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, where did you stay? I stayed. Second form. Where did you stay? I stayed across the office. Okay, where did you stay?
I stay. सर हे सेकंड फॉर्मचं जरा मला अवघड झालं
Okay.
म्हणजे लक्षात येत नाही.
ईडी लावायचा आहे फक्त आता ईडी लावायचा आहे. आय स्टेड अक्रॉस द ऑफिस. थोडं सिंपल. वेअर डिड यू स्टे?
I stayed across the office.
ओके, वेअर डिड यू वेट?
I wait the across
नाही,
bank.
ईडी लावायचं. ईडी. वेअर डिड यू वेट?
I सर ह्याचं काय आहे ना?
ईडी. आय वेटेड अक्रॉस द बँक. सेकंड
I
आन्सर.
waited across the bank.
ओके, वेअर डिड यू बायचं बॉट होणार. ओके, वेअर डिड यू बाय द ड्रेसेस?
I bought dresses across the mall.
Where did you eat food? Ate होणार. Ate ही second form आहे. Where did
I
you eat
ate-
food?
I ate fruit across the temple.
Okay, where did you take admission? Takeचं took होणार. Where did you take admission?
I took admission across the supermarket.
Across the supermarket. Okay. Playचं played होणार. Where did you play cricket?
I played cricket across the garden.
Okay, where did you buy the flowers? Buy the bought होणार. Where did you buy the flowers?
बायचं काय होणार?
Bought. BOUGST bought.
Okay, I bought across the post office.
Okay, start a business. Started होणार. Started. Where did you start a business?
I started a business across the petrol pump.
Okay. Go to the library. Okay. Go went होणार. Where did you go to the library?
I went library across the society.
Okay. Okay. Where did you learn English? Learned होणार. Learned. Where did you learn English?
I learned English across the library.
Very good. Got it, everybody? In this way, today we have talked about above and across. Above
Yes.
and across. Tomorrow we'll talk about after. After and then against. So tomorrow we are going to talk about after and against. All right. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you cheerful?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah. Yes,
Sir.
Ganesh. Now.
ऐका ना सर, मला हे अक्रॉस आणि हे नाही का अबोव यांचं अजून थोडं एक्झाम्पल हे होईल का? म्हणजे डोक्यात बसणार एवढं काय?
ओके ओके ओके. अक्रॉस म्हणजे पलीकडे. अक्रॉस म्हणजे काय? पलीकडे. ओके. अक्रॉस म्हणजे काय? पलीकडे. ऑलराइट. अक्रॉस म्हणजे पलीकडे. ऑलराइट. आय विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू. अक्रॉस इट मीन्स पलीकडे. ऑलराइट. अक्रॉस इट मीन्स पलीकडे. Did you go?
Did you go?
Okay. Is the bank across the street? Is the bank across the street?
Across the street.
ओके. कळलं? म्हणजे बँक रस्त्याच्या पलीकडे आहे का? मग उत्तर काय होणार? येस, द बँक इज अक्रॉस द स्ट्रीट. समजलं? सिंपल आहे, फार सिंपल आहे. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Sir, is this a to be form?
Yes, this is to be forms. Where is the bank?
Okay, sir.
Where is the bank?
Where is the bank?
The bank is across the street.
Across the street.
Okay, समजलं?
Okay, sir. हा sir.
आता तुम्ही मला उत्तर द्या. Is the bank across the street?
Yes, the bank is across the street.
Where is the bank?
Yes, the bank is across the street.
Is the library across the river?
Yes, the library is across the river.
Where is the library?
The library is across the river.
Okay. Is the post office across the bank?
Yes, the post office is across the bank.
Where is the post office?
Where is the post office? Yes, the post office is across the bank.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
Same with above. Okay. Is the box above the chair? म्हणजे चेअरच्या वरच्या बाजूस आहे का? Yes. Yes. The box is above the chair.
Above the chair.
Above the chair. Okay.
Chair.
Where is the box?
Where? Yes, the box
Which
is
Above the
The box
is
above the chair. Above the chair. Got it?
Above the
Answer
chair.
me. Answer me. Is the box above the chair?
Yeah, yes, the box is above the chair.
Where is the box?
The box
The
is
box is above the chair.
Is the television above the cupboard?
Yes, the television is above the cupboard.
Where is the television?
The television is above the cupboard.
Very good. Good job. Good job. Yuvraj, now you are answering me. Yuvraj, you are
Yes.
answering me now. Okay. Is Is the fan above the bed?
Yes, the fan is above the bed.
Where is the fan?
The fan is above the bed.
Okay. Is the bed above the floor? Sorry. Is the tube light above the floor?
Yes, the tube light is above the
Floor.
above the floor.
Where is the tube light?
The tube light is above the floor.
Okay. Got it. Is the balloon above the sofa?
Yes, the balloon is above the sofa.
Where is the balloon?
The balloon is above the sofa.
Is your friend's house across the river?
Yes, the friend house is across the river.
Where is your friend's house?
The friend's house is across the river.
Got it. Very good. Good job. Okay.
सर
Now
एक बार दोनों across और दोनों above का मीनिंग बोलो सर.
अक्रॉस म्हणजे पलीकडे और अबव मतलब वरच्या बाजूला. अक्रॉस मतलब उसके पार और अबव मतलब उसके ऊपर. समझ में आया? इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो सभी.
सर एक बार फिर से बोलो. above मतलब
ऊपर की तरफ और अबव इट मीन्स ऊपर की तरफ और अक्रॉस मतलब किसी के पार, उस चीज के पार. समझ में आया?
yes sir.
Now we are going to work on how to use grammar in spoken English. How to use grammar in spoken English. We have done that activity yesterday. Today also we are going to do the same activity. Okay. Now suppose here is Vinayak. Okay. Suppose here is Maya, and Maya talks to Vinayak. What does she talk? Do you repair the car? Okay, then what would Vinayak will say? Yes, I repair the car. But if Vinayak stops here, then Vinayak is the loser. But if Vinayak asks him the question back, then Vinayak is the winner and Maya is the loser. So the person who asks the questions is a winner in the conversation, and the person who answers the question is a loser in the conversation. Okay. In IAS officer and in second grade officer, who asks the questions? IAS officer asks the questions to second grade officer. It means IAS is the winner and second grade officer is a loser in the conversation. Loser, it means surrenders in the conversation. So who is better communicator? The person who asks the questions is a better communicator. The person who asks the questions is a better communicator. So Vinayak, now you are going to ask the questions to Maya. So what will Vinayak do? Vinayak will ask the same questions to Maya. Okay. Vinayak will ask the same questions to Maya. Vinayak will ask, do you repair the car? Okay. Do you repair the car? Now you just tell me, do you repair the car? Now you just tell me, has Vinayak used any extra knowledge to ask the question? अवेदना, विनायक ने थोडस जास्त डोकं लावलं का प्रश्न विचारण्यासाठी?
नो.
म्हणजे काय केलं? मायाचाच प्रश्न त्यानं कॉपी केला, डायरेक्ट
कॉपी केला.
मायाचाच प्रश्न काय केला? कॉपी केला. आणि काय केला? कॉपी करून त्याच प्रश्नातून आणि प्रश्न तयार केले. काय तयार केले? डू यू रिपेअर द कार? देन व्हेन डू यू रिपेअर द कार? अंडरस्टँड? व्हेन डू यू रिपेअर द कार म्हणजे प्रश्न विचारण्यासाठी जास्त डोकं लावायची गरज नाही. ओके, प्रश्न विचारण्यासाठी जास्त डोकं यायची गरज नाही, कारण का तोच त्यानेच प्रश्न विचारलेला आहे, त्यालाच आपण परत प्रश्न विचारायचा. देन वेअर डू यू रिपेअर द कार? जोपर्यंत विनायक प्रश्न विचारत राहील तोपर्यंत विनायक विनर आहे. ज्यावेळी विनायक प्रश्न विचारण्याचं शांत झाला की तो मग पुढचा विनर होऊन जाईल. अंडरस्टँड? वेन डू यू रिपेअर द कार? वेअर डू यू रिपेअर द कार? हाऊ डू यू रिपेअर द कार?
Why do you repair the car?
How do you repair the car? Why do you repair the car? Why do you repair the car?
With whom do you repair
With
the
whom
car?
do you repair the car?
Yeah, with whom do you repair the car?
At which time do you repair the car?
With whom do you repair the car? Correct, correct, very good. With whom do you? With today
Repair.
everybody is asking questions. Good sign. It is a sign of improvement. With whom do you repair the car? Very good. With whom do you repair the car? And at what time do you repair the car? Correct. At what time do you repair the car? How many cars do you repair in a day?
How many cars?
How many cars do you repair in a day? Got it? Which cars do you repair? Correct?
Which car do you?
Which cars do you repair? All right. Okay. Now, Vinayak. I am Maya and you are Vinayak. All right, Vinayak.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Do you repair the car?
Yes, I repair the car. Do you repair the car?
Yes, I repair the car.
When do you repair the car?
I repair the car from 9 to 9 o'clock.
Where do you repair the car?
I repair the car in the garage.
How do you repair the car?
I repair the car with the help of many employees and mechanics.
Why do you repair the car?
I repair the car because it is my business.
With whom do you repair the car?
I repair the car with other employees.
At what time do you repair the car?
I repair the car from 9 to 9 o'clock.
How many repairs? How many cars do you repair in a day?
I repair around 5 cars in a day.
Which cars do you repair?
I repair luxury cars. Very good. Good job.
Thank
Good job. All right. Now, who is going to do this activity? Raise your hands. Who is
Sir,
going to
Aman.
do this? Aman. Okay. Aman.
Sir,
Start.
no.
Hello, sir.
तर मी
Aman.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
What is my role, sir? Am I Maya or Vinayak?
No. You are Aman and I am Maya always. I am Maya always.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
Now start. Ask me the questions. Do you check? Do you appear for the test?
Yes, I appear for the test. Do you appear for the test?
Yes, I appear for the test.
When do you appear for the test?
I appear for the test every day.
Where do you appear for the test?
I appear for the test in the exam hall.
How do you appear for the test?
I appear for the test online.
Why do you appear for the test?
I appear for the test because I want to get success.
How many tests do you attempt in a month?
I attempt around 10 tests in a month.
Which test do you do?
I do English test. Very good. Next. Who is going to be here? Rohit? Yeah, who is going to be here next?
May sir?
Okay, just tell me your name. Sir,
Avedna.
I am Avedna in this way. Okay, Avedna here, sir. Avedna here, sir, in this way. Okay.
Avedna here, sir.
Okay, fine. Yeah, do you play the piano?
Yes, I play the piano. Do you play the piano?
Yes, I play the piano.
When do you play the piano?
I play the piano on Sunday.
Where do you play the piano?
I play the piano in my home.
And how do you play the piano?
I play the piano with interest.
Okay. Why do you play the piano?
I play the piano for my inner happiness.
And with whom do you play the piano?
I play piano with my wife.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Good job. Next, who is going to be here? Next.
Sir,
सर मी गणेश पवार.
Ganesh, do you read the newspaper? Huh? Do you read the newspaper?
Yes, yes. I do the read newspaper.
Okay.
Do you read newspaper?
Yes, I read the newspaper.
When do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper in the morning.
Where do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper at my home.
How do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper online.
Why do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper to get the knowledge of current affairs.
With whom do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspapers with my friends.
At what time do you read the newspaper?
I read the newspaper at 8:30 sharp.
How many do you read the newspaper?
How many newspapers do you read? Huh?
Newspaper do you read?
I read 3 newspapers every day.
Uh,
Which newspaper?
Which newspaper do you read?
I read English newspaper. Very good. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Ronak.
Sir Swati.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you jump high?
Yes, I jump high. Do you jump high?
Yes, I jump high.
When do you jump high?
I jump high when I am in the school.
Where do you jump high?
I jump high on the ground.
How do you jump high?
I jump high successfully.
Why do you jump high?
I jump high because I want to participate in the Olympics.
With whom do you jump high?
I jump high with other participants.
At what time do you jump high?
I jump high in the afternoon at 2 o'clock.
How many jumps do you high?
How many jumps do you do every day?
How many jumps do you
Have how many jumps do you have every day?
How many jumps do you have every day?
I have around 8 jumps, 8 jumps every day. Very good. Good job. Good job. Which jumps do you have?
Which jumps do you have?
I have long jumps. Very good. Very good. Good job. Swati.
Ha, sir.
Yeah. Do you work in the mall?
Yes, I work in the mall. Do you work in the mall?
Yes, I work in the mall.
When do you work in the mall?
I work in the mall from Monday to Saturday.
Where do you work in the mall?
I work at Shivaji Nagar in the mall.
How do you work in the mall?
I work on the contract basis.
Why do you work in the mall?
I work in the mall to get the salary.
With whom do you work in the mall?
I work in the mall with my friends.
At what time do you work in the mall?
I work in the mall at 6 o'clock, at 5 o'clock in the evening.
How many
hours?
How many hours do you work in the mall?
I work 10 hours in the mall. In which mall? In which mall?
In which mall do you work?
I work in Central Mall. Very good. Good job. Good job. Yes, Nachiket.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you speak 4 languages?
Do you speak 4 languages?
No, that is my question. Do you speak 4 languages?
Yes, I speak
लक्षात ठेवा, तुम्हाला काय डोकं वापरायची गरज नाही. दुसऱ्यांचं डोकं जास्त वापरायला शिका. Understand? दुसऱ्यांचं डोकं जास्त वापरायला शिका. You will get fluency in English. All right? Yeah. Ask me questions. Quick. Nachiket.
Do you speak 4 languages?
My question for you. Do you speak 4 languages?
Yes, I speak 4 languages. And do you speak 4 languages?
Yes, I speak 4 languages.
When do you speak 4 languages?
I speak 4 languages every day.
And where do you speak 4 languages?
I speak 4 languages at my home.
And how do you speak the 4 languages?
I speak 4 languages because I studied hard to learn these languages.
And why do you speak the 4 languages?
I speak 4 languages because I love it.
With whom do you speak the 4 languages?
I speak 4 languages with my friends.
and at what time do you speak the 4 languages?
I speak 4 languages all the time.
And how many languages do you speak
I
in a
speak 4
day?
languages every day.
How many?
Which 4 languages do you speak? Huh?
Which 4 languages do you speak?
I speak Hindi, Marathi, English, and Kannada. Very good. Good job. Good job. Nice. Okay, who is next? Next.
Yuvraj?
Yuvraj, yeah. Do you play cricket? Huh?
Yes. Yes, I play cricket. Do you play the cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
When do you play the cricket?
I play cricket in the morning.
Where do you play the cricket?
I play cricket on the ground. द वापरू नका मध्ये.
How do you play the cricket?
I play cricket successfully, happily.
Why do you play cricket?
I play cricket for my fitness.
With whom do you play cricket?
I play cricket with my friends.
And what time do you play cricket?
I play cricket in the morning at 8 o'clock.
How many cricket in a day?
With how many players do you play cricket?
With how many players in the play cricket?
I play cricket with 11 players. Which sports
Which sports
do you play?
do you play?
I play cricket. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
युवराजजी किती सोपा आहे, पाहिला की नाही?
Oh,
सोपा आहे, फक्त चांगला टीचर पाहिजे तुम्हाला.
खरी गोष्ट आहे.
आता मिळालेला आहे, त्यामुळे देवाला तुम्ही नाही म्हणू नका की मला संधी मिळाली नाही इंग्लिश शिकण्याची. अंडरस्टँड?
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके. एनीबडी एल्स? अजून कोण आहे? एनीबडी एल्स? आराधना जी, अमन इज डन, नचिकेत इज डन, रोहित इज डन. Anybody else is left? Everybody is done. All right. Please take the screenshot of it.
Taken, sir.
Okay, fine. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And these all videos are available on our app. So if you want to get these videos, you can talk to our Bhushan sir. He will help you out. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes.